Morning all. So it's a chilled pool day for us today. I think we've earned it. It was actually supposed to be Hollywood Studios today, but we really did most of what we wanted in that park yesterday. So we've gave ourselves a chilled pool day. Already queuing to get into Stormalong. So we've staked out our spot here. Got a parasol for my mum and some sunbeds. This was 5 to 10 this morning. This opened up. There was a line of a good 20 people or so. So you do have to be here at opening to get the prime location. Giving my well-travelled tootsies a soak because they have been getting a beating in this holiday. So like I say, you do need to be down here for 10 o'clock to get the prime seating with parasols, so if that's important to you, be here for at least 9:30 because we arrived about 9:30. Probably about 8 people in front of us, and then behind us maybe a good 12 to 14 people came behind before 10 o'clock hit. So we managed to get a good parasol position here. There's also some work getting done here at the moment. This is the first time that I've heard it in the morning. Some external work getting done at the front, so it's not really that much of an issue, but you do hear like reversing vehicles and things before 9 o'clock in the morning. The odd kind of bang, etc. It's not too intrusive. I'm sure it'll be over soon, but yeah. First time that I've heard some work getting done at the Yacht Club. But look at this, it's so nice. So because we're ahead of the game with Hollywood Studios, we decided just to treat ourselves a day just here, which I'm glad that we're doing.
We're on the lazy river, just sitting chilling. It's 10:15 in the morning. We came down, got cracking sunbeds, and we're now just sitting chilling. And you'll notice as well, if you ever come to stay here, there are lifeguards everywhere. Which is really good for young kids. If you have young kids here, you'll know they're being well looked after. So over here on the right is Hurricane Hannah's. It's not open yet. Over there are the cabanas. They were closed while the pool was getting renovated. They haven't yet opened. I'm not sure when they will open. Hurricane Hannah's is brilliant. They have a full bar, cocktails, beers, the whole shebang, and food, which is really handy. So we're going to get lunch there today. Look at the sky, beautiful. I could literally lie here all day on the lazy river, just chilling. This is pure bliss, right in the heart of Disney. This wee bit has a quicker current. Just my hand there. It's just such a beautiful resort.
And considering that it's obsolete and they don't have the replacement for I'm very happy. Very happy.
There's a wee couple behind me and they said everybody seems to come to Disney for the parks. They come for the pool. This is the pool. I get their flow totally. Can't beat this, like.
Right, we're ordered at Hurricane Hannah's. Someone came over, which we think might be the cabana waiters, to take our order. I think it's because the cabanas are currently under refurb, so they're free. So it saves us having to go over and get a mobile order.
Did you notice the wee second guy was earning his ears?
Was he? Yeah, and he had a newbie with him, our server.
His name was Ears.
No, he was earning his ears.
Earning his ears.
Oh, is that the wee guy that...
When you're training.
Oh, bless him.
Yeah.
So,
So Louisa is going on a supply run
I want to earn my ears.
with the cups. You're earning your ears getting our juices?
No, I want to get paid for earning my ears and
No.
live here. Right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I just said,
What did you get for a cocktail?
pina colada.
Which is a pina colada with raspberry. Nice.
Brilliant. Stunning. It's like an ice cream drink with alcohol.
I just went with a Bud Light. I'm really liking the beer over here at the minute rather than the cocktails. Just so refreshing. Holly got a Diet Coke and is on her phone to her friends.
Oh, sorry.
And Louisa's going for more drinks as well. She's filling her cups. Louisa get the same as you, cocktail wise. So our food has arrived. Louisa got a seafood roll. She's got some fries there that'll help her with because she's also ordered the crab loaded fries.
Desperate to try the crab fries.
So that's a snack credit in itself, or you could just pay as an appetizer. We've got extra credits to use, so we just use another, not a snack credit, sorry, a quick service credit.
Yeah.
I got the burger, Mum got the burger, and Holly got chicken strips. Because Holly wants to do some tricks. And the Disney lifeguards say no to Holly's tricks. So coming into an empty small pool. This is the corpse pool at the Yacht Club. And jump in. Go, 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 go.
Deep enough to jump in.
Putting on a wash, and these two have the quiet pool all to themselves for horsing about as they do, and I haven't even noticed down here.
Hello.
Hiya.
Alright.
Did you have fun with the other pool?
We did. I filmed the routine.
I put a wee wash on.
Did you? That'll be you happy.
I'm just being a ming and keeping home.
Good.
I can't fit it in.
Good. Oh, this is lovely, isn't it?
Is it warm in the other one?
Yeah. Water's really warm, isn't it? Louisa,
What lovely.
the water's really warm, isn't it?
It's lovely.
So I thought I'd do a kind of full tour of Yacht and Beach Club as much as I can. So this is Stormalong Bay. Here's Hurricane Hannah's here. Sort of poolside restaurant, bar. There's a kiddie section of the pool over here. which has a lot of the sand in it for the kids to build sand castles, etc. You see someone's buried, just their head showing up there. And then down here, this is the lazy river. So you see it goes to 6 foot there, it actually goes to 8 foot in places, and the reason for that is that this originally was supposed to be a snorkeling experience. But it either was a snorkeling experience or was designed to be a snorkeling experience, and it's now a lazy river. So it gets to 8 foot in places. It's quite slow moving, but it's really a lot of fun. So you can bring your own pool noodles, or these blue floats are provided, or you'll see these clear lilo sort of seats are provided as well. And then over here is like an activity pool. So over here is the activity pool, where you get a lot of games happening. So you've got volleyball here, you've got some activities here for the kids. You also get Disney trivia over here as well, music trivia.
Me and Vicky will dump them out, just leave them right here.
You'll see at the top there is a slide. That's the big slide that's recently just reopened. It goes up to the sails at the front or the back of the hotel. So this activity pool stretches all the way around here, and then you've got a waterfall here. I think this is probably the quietest, just sort of straight swimming area here, with no activities and no lazy river. This area here is just kind of chill out spot really. So you do need this bracelet to get into Stormalong Bay. You'll be scanned to make sure that you have a room booking at Yacht and Beach Club. But it does you all week really, or for the duration of your stay. This is Beaches and Cream to go, so that is a table service restaurant in here, but you've also got this window which does some nice desserts, beer floats, and you see that some of these here at the bottom are snack credits. We're going to the Beach Club lobby now, coming in from Stormalong Bay. This here is Martha's Vineyard. This is where we had some drinks and nibbles the other night. And then if we come round this corridor here to Cape May Cafe. You see here, Cape May Cafe is a table service buffet restaurant. I think we're dining in that on the last day, and my mum and Holly are dining in this tonight while we go to Chef de France in Epcot, Louisa and I. And this is the Beach Club lobby, so you'll see that it is just as nice as Yacht Club, but it has a little bit more informal vibe. You still have a captain ready to welcome you. So this is the Beach Club marketplace. Don't think we've been in here yet. Let's have a look. My mum bought this bag actually, so she has been in here. It's a nice t-shirt. Definitely a bigger store here, a bigger shop than the Yacht Club one. There's a lot more generic sort of gifts here, or generic things to buy. The Yacht Club stuff is very Yacht Club orientated. Good selection of toys as well here. So I do get a more family vibe here at the Beach Club, whereas the Yacht Club seems to be a bit more convention-y sort of focused, perhaps. But both are lovely, both very nice. This is their quick service and snack area. Again, this seems to be a bit bigger than what we have at Yacht Club.
Oh, look at this, they got like a dad snack.
But they don't have the freestyle machines. Interesting. They just have the kind of standard. You get meatball subs, caprese sandwiches here, pulled pork sandwich. A good menu. Selection of luggage and Disney prams as well, Disney buggies for children, wheelchairs. No prices, that's ominous. Nice little quiet area here. And this is the DVC Beach Club Villas in here. Let's have a look. This is the drawing room in here. The pool table. Like bedtime stories as well here. And this is called the Breezeway, which looks like just another lounge. It's lovely. And by lounge I mean just a nice seating area. It's nice. That picture's amazing. Really like that. And this is another quiet pool. Dunes Cove. I think this is the Villas. Where is it? Is this more the Beach Club small pool? Let's have a look. No, not busy at all here. It's good. We'll go back into the villas, the Beach Club Villas here. So the Beach Club Villas is this kind of minty green colour, whereas the Beach Club proper is a baby blue colour. It's lovely around here, very quiet. So this is the back of the Beach Club facing onto the lake and the boardwalk. There's a volleyball court here, a beach volleyball, and this is the beach area where we did watching the movie Under the Stars. Really good atmosphere here at night. Okay, so we walk into the back entrance into the Beach Club lobby. This way. Up there's Hurricane Hannah's, etc., which we showed you earlier. That there's an entrance into Stormalong Bay. Here there's some work getting done. So some pixie dust walls have gone up. Mickey and his hard hat. These will all be water view rooms. Those are probably your prime beach club rooms there because they do have a balcony, whereas you'll see a lot of them really don't. They just have this little window that opens out into kind of small barriers. There's probably a fancy name for that type of balcony, but I can't think of it. This is now going into the beach club lobby again. So we continue on our little tour. This is the beach club lobby. I do think the yacht club lobby beats this one hands down, but I do prefer the beach club generally in terms of the vibe. Let's head up here. No idea.
Trims.
Yeah.
Should we go up the elevator?
No.
Why?
Because I'm not going up there, I'm just the general common areas I'm looking at. So this is the sweep of the lobby here. With these nice little chairs here, unusual chairs. Cool little chandelier and seahorses. So there's this attention to detail that you miss sometimes. We'll descend back down into the lobby at the beach club side and we'll walk into Yacht Club. Oh, we're going the wrong way. We're going the completely wrong way. Yacht Club's this way. Cape May Cafe, busy for breakfast. Donald doing his thing. This is pretty cool, this sort of sand art installation. Mickey in his castle. And you see there's quite a bit of work getting done just outside this area. Which is the corridor leading away from Beach Club and into Yacht Club. Continue to run. That was the arcade in here. As we head round here now, we're now entering into the Yacht Club area. Yachtsman Steakhouse. The Cruise Cup Lounge. Okay, we're now past Aer Lingus. Currently busy for breakfast. Aer Lingus in here. Breakfast buffet happening. I'm now back into the Yacht Club lobby. This is the Aer Lingus Lounge. in here. Nice little space, quite dark. And this is the Aer Lingus restaurant currently. You can see buffet breakfast going on at the moment. Past here, that is the entrance and the exit out to the ferry boats at the lighthouse, the friendship boats. I'll climb these stairs. There's a nice quiet little area here, but here is where you can steer the boat, you can steer the yacht, steer the Yacht Club. Right, Holly, you're steering the boat. Go for it. Right, you're going very, very, very hard to starboard there. Exceedingly hard to starboard. You might want to go to port a little bit. That's you, steady the ship a wee bit. I think starboard's in port. I don't know, I might have my directions wrong there. Right, this is up the stairs, and there's a nice, again, got a quiet area here. This is the sweep of the lobby for the Yacht Club. That is a beautiful lobby. I don't know if it's just made it just a little bit more formal. This one looks less busy. Maybe a bit more family orientated over in the beach club. Whereas here it's a little bit more classy. Although there's a lot of families obviously because it's Disney, but this feels more convention-y somehow. But it's lovely, we really enjoyed it here. There's cartoons shown for kids here as you check in or waiting on people coming downstairs. These are the lifts to our rooms. And this is the long hall that eventually goes out to the quiet pool. And you have the market at Aer Lingus here as well, which is a quick service and store for the Yacht Club. Right, so we're now heading to Chef de France, but we're going to go via the arcade because my mum is with Holly at the arcade. They've got dinner at Cape May Cafe.
We're having a date night.
We're having a date night.
Having a date night.
Yeah, so yeah, the arcade, just want to check if everyone's okay. Yeah, we had the big storm. Yeah, the pool's abandoned because of the storm rolling through.
But thankfully we got our shot in it today.
We did.
We had a blast in it today.
We did, sorry,
So we
my
did.
hand's coming. We've got no pole because somebody broke the pole.
No pole?
The phone pole.
Oh,
Yeah, it snapped.
yes.
Wee ducks have the pool to themselves. Absolutely loving life. So I don't know if I got this in the tour earlier, but this is a cruise cup lounge. This is another lounge. This is on the, it's more of a sports bar kind of look at it. This is at the kind of halfway between Yacht Club and the beach club. This is nice in here. It's more of a sports bar kind of feel. It's more of a sports bar kind of feel in there, isn't it? It's like a fancy Miller's. Yeah. And then this is the Yachtsman Steakhouse. This is a signature meal in here. That looks lovely. Yeah. Right, so that's yachtsman in there. They would take 2 table service credits off us also. We're being stingy.
Although we have spare.
We have spare, yeah, that's a good point.
We're one up.
Yeah. And this is the gym that I passed earlier. I'm going to show you now.
To anybody that does the gym
There's lights on.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. I'll show you people in the gym on their holidays. Mad people. Nah, fair play to you, but
Use the treats and the stuff.
yeah. Don't worry about it later.
Listen, I do my 20,000 steps a day.
Yeah, that's fine. But average 25k steps.
112 for the day.
Yeah, and we've not done anything really. Yeah. And here we are at the arcade. Who's winning?
You put me off. Here,
Who's winning, Holly T? Who's winning? Hey! Oh! Holly's playing the skee ball. Well done, Holly. Okay, see you after. We're going for dinner. Be good for Gran. Alright, enjoy Cape May. Enjoy Cape May. Bye bye. Bye bye. Don't know if you can see that, but the pavements are literally steaming. So we're slowly being steamed cooked. Like a bao bun.
a big dumpling.
Yeah, like a big dumpling. Because we'll have a mixture of moisture and heat here right now. So just 2 wee bao buns. Going for dinner. So we're in the World Traveller store just before we go to Chef de France. Louise is looking to get one of these Epcot glasses. Those are excellent. I really like them. That's $15, which I think is pretty reasonable. Or there's these kind of gin goblets. I wonder if it's these ones she's looking for. I'll check. Is it the goblet or the wine? The goblet? She's wanting the goblet. I actually prefer these big wine glasses, but hey. $15 is pretty good. And then you've got the short glasses and a tankard. Pretty cool. Just one tree with a skyline all around it.
How much is the wine glass?
15.
You're
Pretty
kidding.
good. No, that's good.
The fixed price one?
It's got a dining plan next to it, so I was dubious because I'd seen vlogs where they were doing it and vlogs where they weren't.
We get one appetizer, one selected entree, one dessert, and one glass of wine.
Not bad. So it's a menu français. Prix fixe. How do you pronounce that? Prix fixe. Prix fixe. Prix fixe. So it's kind of the brasserie section here, and we're just kind of on the inside of that here. It's busy, but it's nice. Nice surroundings.
It's lovely. It's
Very French. Yeah.
very authentic.
The kind of brasserie bit. Yeah. We've had the menu explained to us, so you can go for this on the dining plan, or what you can do is not take an appetizer. You can have any choice of entree instead of the limited choice of entree here, and then any choice of dessert, and then any choice of beverage or alcoholic beverage under $20. So I think we're going to go with the second option. I was able to get the carafe of Cabernet Sauvignon as it was under $20. So it's basically a glass and a half, and it's served in this cool wee carafe thing. Yeah, Louisa went for
I went for Saint-Germain
a
cocktail.
Saint-Germain cocktail, which is new on me, and it's what?
So it's sparkling wine, Saint-Germain elderflower liqueur, and sparkling water. So quite refreshing. So let me taste it. I'll give it a wee stir. Thank you. Oh, that's nice. It's quite delicate flavoured. It's not strong in any way, but it's really, really nice.
It just looks like water. They should, like...
The elderflowers just...
Really?
That's lovely. With the wine, that's actually something that I've never mixed together. Is sparkling wine and elderflower. That could be a new thing to take home.
Very good. I don't know if I like elderflower.
You should try a wee bit.
Oh well, we'll try it in a
lovely.
second. But they should colour this red and blue. It could be a PSG cocktail. Very good. Our mains have arrived. Mine's is the steak frites, served medium, with a Béarnaise sauce.
Yeah, Bernays.
And you got...
I got fruits de la mer, fruits of the sea. So it is shrimp, sea scallops, a spinach pastry, and creamy lobster sauce.
That's like a Yorkshire pudding.
It looks delicious.
It does look lovely, to be fair. So this looks really nice. I've decided that if I win the lottery, I'm going to come in here after I buy my DVC villa. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to buy a $765 bottle of Dom Perignon. Each. Each. Right. Dessert has arrived. I took... What is it? It's a signet. I have to move this to actually tell you what it is. So it's a swan cream puff filled with vanilla ice cream and chocolate sauce. It's a Signy Profiterole glace à la vanille sauce chocolat. Chocolat. You see how my French accent is
Mine
fantastic?
is macaron à la fraise.
Macaron à la fraise, which is strawberry macaron.
Yeah.
There you go, looks lovely. Right, so we're doing one final little walk about Epcot World Showcase. Maybe get a couple of drinks.
Could we get a wee photo? There's a photo pass.
You're obsessed with getting a photo of that bit. I think they never work out.
We've never had one like that.
We have.
We haven't?
We have.
No, I haven't.
I like a Menabrea. There's a drink that I've been hearing people rave about, and it's this sparkling red. And apparently people are looking to buy it outside of Disney. Is that good?
Well, we'll get that and that and have a wee bit of each.
Yeah, not for that.
We'll do that. I didn't expect the limoncello one to be so
No,
red.
so we've got a limoncello spritzer and that sparkling red. What's the sparkling red called?
Bumpy Rosa Regali.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that's
Is
the
it?
business.
Is it worth?
Oh, that's the business right
Is
there.
it worth its reputation?
It's very... What's the
Is it
word?
like the sparkling red we got in France?
Yes, it is.
Proper France, I mean.
Yeah,
not-
it's quite sweet,
Yeah?
but it's very... It's a strong flavour, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like, that's a delicate flavour, but that's a
Strong
strong
one.
flavour, but it's really nice.
So Granny's looking after Holly and we're sitting in the steps of Italy and we're
Having a wee swally.
having a wee swally, as we say in Scotland.
Swally.
Wee swally. Sitting in the steps, drinking like it's Glasgow Central. You will be doing on Sunday as you're going to transmit.
I'm going to transmit on Sunday.
So we like both these drinks. One's quite dry because it's Prosecco and limoncello, and
But I
one's
think this one's my favourite.
yeah, very sweet red wine,
I
sparkling
couldn't
red
drink
wine.
a lot of it because it is quite sweet.
I found that about the one that we found in France that time.
Yeah,
It was lovely, but quite rich.
yes. But it is really... It's
nice.
really, really nice.
So a bit of work happening here at Italy. Michelangelo or whoever is doing his business.
Like, how are you saying there's a bit of work done? There's literally nothing. That's the building that's there.
It's an entire tower. What, you're saying that you can't see that
No,
that's
of
fake?
course you can see.
Of course not.
The facade, it makes it look like there's nothing going on.
Disney magic. There's some menacing clouds happening over there.
That cloud over there
Yeah.
looks like an old man.
I think it looks like
And he's doing this.
like an Italian. Hey. I was actually saying it looks like alphabet on a broomstick. But you're right, it does look like an Italian man going, hey! It's the jacket. I love the sky in Florida when it's like this. It's amazing. Look.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Bright red.
This time next week we'll be sitting in flipping rainy, cold Scotland.
Don't remind me. So we're walking at the Epcot for the final time this holiday. It's been great, hasn't it?
It's been amazing.
I thought you'd been tears. Luminous is about to kick off, but we're just going to head back to the hotel now to get Holly.
We've seen it like 3 times.
I know, we're very intimately acquainted with Luminous and with Epcot as a whole after this holiday, which we knew we were going to be, and that's why we booked here.
Although I would do it again in a heartbeat, see
Yeah, I
the
would.
walking distance into it,
Yeah.
and like just go in and just like grab a snack and a drink,
Yeah.
and just go in and have a nosy what's going on.
Yeah. That's been great.
It's been amazing. So good.
Yeah,
It spoiled me.
it completely does spoil you. I mean, this is a holiday of a lifetime for us, quite literally. I don't know the next time we'll be able to do anything of this size again.
When we win the lottery.
We will definitely be back in Florida.
I thought you were going to say we will definitely win the lottery.
We will win the lottery, manifest. No, we will be back in Florida in the next few years, definitely, but we'll be back probably to villas, maybe a Universal stay. We'll see. But this has been great.
I want to do it every year.
Well,
Can't afford to do it every year, but I want to do it every year.
yeah, well, good luck with that one. Right, so we've nipped into Cruise Cup Lounge here for a little after dinner aperitif. What have you got?
I have
To take it as strong?
it's rocket fuel, by the way. So it's called the Regatta, and in it is Empress Gin 1908, Elderflower liqueur, Pinot Grigio, and fresh mint. So it's literally 3 bits of. I'm actually half inclined to nick a bit of her Diet Coke and dilute it a bit because it is rocket fuel.
No way, Biggie. And you've just got a beer?
A
Yingling.
youngling.
This here's a revelation this
I
year.
call it a youngling after after Star Wars.
Star Wars. This is a revelation this year, this amber ale. It is gorgeous and it's really refreshing and smooth.
Can you get it at home?
You can get amber ale obviously at home, but I don't know if you can get Yingling.
Youngling.
I got Menabrea amber ale as well in Trattoria al Forno and it was lovely. And Holly's got a Diet Coke and is munching on a Mickey Marshmallow from
Mickey
Caramel Kush.
Caramel Kush.
This is
Nice.
very convivial, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's just nice way to end the night.
it is. So it's like a wee sports bar sort of aesthetic in here. That's your word, aesthetic, Holly. This is a sports bar aesthetic.
It's lovely.
That is really nice. Like this.
Nice wee vibe.
That is.